Unlocking Financial Freedom, Kiyosaki's Secrets Revealed. Ever wonder why some people achieve financial freedom while others struggle? Understanding the principles of wealth creation can unlock the doors to financial independence. Let's dive into Robert Kiyosaki's key lessons and see how they can transform your financial future. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has inspired millions with his insights on wealth creation. His contrasting experiences with his rich dad and poor dad offer valuable lessons on achieving financial freedom that resonate with many. One of Kiyosaki's core lessons is the importance of financial education. Financial literacy is crucial for making informed decisions about money. Without it, managing finances can be challenging, often leading to poor financial health and missed opportunities for wealth building. Kiyosaki emphasizes the difference between assets and liabilities. Understanding this distinction is key to growing wealth. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. Focusing on acquiring assets can significantly impact your financial situation and future prosperity. Another essential lesson is to mind your own business. Rather than solely relying on a paycheck, Kiyosaki advises building and owning assets. This means creating multiple income streams and investing in ventures that generate passive income, leading to long-term financial stability. Kiyosaki emphasizes the power of corporations in growing and protecting wealth. By leveraging corporate structures, individuals can benefit from tax advantages and asset protection, enabling them to keep more of their earnings and reinvest in their financial growth. Investing is crucial for building wealth, according to Kiyosaki. It allows individuals to grow their money over time, outpacing inflation and creating additional income streams. Smart investments can lead to financial independence and a more secure future. Making money work for you is a key concept in achieving financial freedom. Kiyosaki advocates for generating passive income through investments and business ventures, allowing money to grow without constant active effort, ultimately leading to greater financial stability and freedom. Overcoming fear and taking calculated risks are important in financial decisions. Kiyosaki believes that fear often holds people back from opportunities that could significantly improve their financial situation. Embracing risk with proper education can lead to substantial rewards. Understanding financial statements is vital for making informed financial decisions. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of reading and interpreting balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements to manage finances effectively and identify areas for improvement and growth. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes understanding the impact of taxes on wealth. He believes that knowing how taxes work and strategically planning around them can significantly affect one's financial success. Utilizing tax advantages legally can help in retaining and growing one's wealth. Financial independence is a crucial concept in Kiyosaki's teachings. It means having sufficient income from investments and assets to cover expenses without relying on a traditional job. Achieving this independence provides freedom and security, allowing more control over one's life. Kiyosaki advocates for entrepreneurial thinking, believing it fosters innovation and financial growth. Embracing an entrepreneurial mindset encourages problem-solving, risk-taking, and proactive wealth building. This approach can lead to creating valuable opportunities and financial stability, distinct from traditional employment. A positive financial mindset is vital, according to Kiyosaki. Believing in one's ability to achieve financial success can lead to better decision-making and resilience. Attitude and mindset significantly influence financial outcomes, shaping how individuals perceive and tackle financial challenges. Kiyosaki strongly supports real estate investing as a reliable path to wealth. He views real estate as a tangible asset that can generate passive income and appreciate over time. Investing wisely in property can provide financial leverage and long-term financial growth. Kiyosaki emphasizes that the rich focus on building assets, not merely earning a paycheck. This mindset shift is crucial for long-term wealth. By investing in assets that generate passive income, individuals can achieve financial freedom and avoid the trap of working solely for money. Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt is vital. Good debt can be leveraged to acquire assets that appreciate over time, while bad debt drains resources. Kiyosaki teaches how to use debt strategically to build wealth and financial security. Teaching children about money from a young age is crucial for their future success. Kiyosaki advocates for financial education at home and in schools, ensuring the next generation understands money management, investing, and the importance of building assets early in life. Starting early with financial education and investing gives individuals a significant advantage. Compounding interest and time work hand in hand to grow wealth. Kiyosaki advises beginning financial literacy and investment practices as soon as possible to maximize potential returns and achieve financial independence sooner. Diversifying income sources is a key strategy for financial stability. Kiyosaki highlights the importance of building multiple income streams to reduce reliance on a single source. This approach provides financial security and increases opportunities for wealth accumulation through various avenues. The cash flow quadrant categorizes income earners into 4 groups: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. Understanding this framework helps individuals identify their current position and make strategic moves towards becoming business owners or investors for greater financial freedom. Networking plays a crucial role in financial success. Building strong relationships with like-minded individuals and mentors can open doors to new opportunities, provide valuable advice, and offer support. A robust network can significantly accelerate one's journey to financial independence. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential in the ever-evolving financial landscape. Staying informed about market trends, new investment opportunities, and financial strategies can help individuals make smarter decisions. Lifelong learning ensures one remains competitive and capable of navigating financial challenges. Setting clear financial goals is vital for achieving financial freedom. Goals provide direction and motivation, enabling individuals to create actionable plans. Whether it's saving for retirement or building a business, having specific targets helps maintain focus and measure progress effectively. Mentorship can significantly impact one's financial journey. Experienced mentors offer guidance, share valuable insights, and help avoid common pitfalls. Learning from someone who has successfully navigated similar challenges can accelerate personal growth and lead to more informed financial decisions. Financial discipline involves budgeting and managing expenses efficiently. By creating a budget, individuals can track their spending, save more, and reduce unnecessary expenses. This disciplined approach helps in accumulating wealth and achieving long-term financial goals, fostering a sense of control and purpose. The psychology of wealth emphasizes developing a positive mindset toward money. Believing in abundance and focusing on financial growth can significantly impact one's ability to accumulate wealth. It's about maintaining a proactive attitude and viewing financial challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Setting clear financial goals is crucial for achieving financial success. Goals provide direction and motivation, helping individuals stay focused on their financial plans. Creating a detailed plan with specific milestones ensures progress and keeps one accountable, making financial dreams more attainable. Mentorship plays a significant role in financial success. Learning from experienced mentors provides valuable insights and guidance, helping avoid common pitfalls. Mentors offer support, share their experiences, and provide strategies that can accelerate one's journey to financial independence and success. In conclusion, these key lessons from Robert Kiyosaki can significantly impact one's financial journey. Embracing financial discipline, understanding the psychology of wealth, setting goals, seeking mentorship, and continuously learning are vital steps toward achieving financial freedom and long-term prosperity. Robert Kiyosaki's lessons on financial freedom are transformative, offering insights into financial education, investing, and mindset. Implementing these principles can lead to financial independence, encouraging a proactive approach to wealth building and a deeper understanding of money management in everyday life.